Welcome back. I'm glad you could join us for part 2 of our trail hike on the A-Loop Trail here at Tyler State Park. If you haven't seen part 1, be sure to go back and check it out. It's almost comical with the group I had with me, so I think you will enjoy this video. As I say, this is the second part. I tried to do all of it in one video, but I'm having issues with my editing program, and it's just not cooperating. It's not letting me, kind of edit it to how I want it to make just one video. So basically, you're seeing the whole trail hike. This is a new channel. I am still kind of playing with it, trying to get my videos, where they're looking good for everybody that views them. I'm trying to get as much information out on these state parks as I can for those that plan on going to visit a state park or even camp out at one of the sites at a state park. Trying to give you as much information I can. Trying to show you possibly good sites that I would recommend that you try to get to camp on, or some information on some of these trails, so you have a little bit of idea. If you're going to go hiking on one of them, you know what you're in for. So that's pretty much what a lot of my videos are going to be. Of course, I did, I guess within the past month, I did the videos on Purtis Creek State Park. So hey, if you haven't checked them out, be sure to go back and check them out. Like I say, it's a new channel. I'm so used to doing paranormal investigating, so this is a little bit different. So bear with me, and I'll get a pattern down to where it'll make it more interesting. Probably get you want to come back and watch more. Check out a lot of these parks. So anyways, I guess without any further ado, we'll just go ahead and get into this second part. But before we do, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, being that it's a new one, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button. That way when these episodes come out, you'll get notified. That way you don't miss out on any of them. I love it if you'd share with others. I don't know, hopefully they'll come and enjoy the videos. Who knows, maybe they'll want to go visit one of the state parks or even camp out at one of them. Also, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Maybe you have a story, park that you've been to, or one that you think we need to go check out. Hopefully we're going to get to those parks, but hey, we'd like to hear your story on what your experience was like at some of these parks. Also, please smash that like button for me. That kind of lets me know that hey, you are watching our videos. We really hope you are enjoying them, but it kind of lets us know. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get on into this second part of this long trail hike, because I tell you, I had a workout on this one, being in the hills going up and down. I'm definitely out of shape, but we made it. As the mission continues. One thing about it, I had this camera shut off, but I still had one going. Say, but you missed out on the best parts. Oh, no, I didn't. Well, that explains why a lot of those curves have that rounded out bank on it, so they can make those turns at a faster speed. But I didn't think this would be a bike trail over here, but oh well, I guess it was. And the seat I'm going to have on my back, it better have a lot of padding. Well, there ain't nothing but there for a cushion. trying to think if this is the park that had the forest fire.
Thank you. Hi.
We'll let the speed racer go first.
No, ma'am.
Walk in here.
No, I'm hiking. I told the boys, let me call them. Yeah, let me. Yes, ma'am, I'll call them right now.
There is a time to run and a time not to.
Oh, this is not the time. Yeah, for any of the things. You run. I'll watch you.
Say, can you go outside?
I am outside.
And he is walking baby girl and Hong Kong.
Here we go. Back up. That's what it was. We had to take a break before we climbed the hill again.
For sure.
Well, I found the bench.
Yep, you did.
So where are we?
What are you doing?
So where we climbing? The Empire State Building? Had to throw another coal on the fire here. Meow. Meow. Hey, Gopher, you home?
I'm trying, I'm trying. They're getting heavy, aren't they?
Tracks of Bigfoot.
Uh-huh. Found him.
Look, hang on. Where's he at?
That's the same one going back that way. So that means we're going down here and go right back up that way because that's the bikers up there.
Where he at?
Where he at, though?
Whose idea was it to hike this trail?
I don't know whose idea it was to only get 6 hours of sleep and then hike.
Can we-
I don't know.
I think there's somebody back there in the...
We did agree to this. We did.
I mean, no, early in the evening.
That's why we're here. If it was late in the evening, we'd been like, I don't remember.
That way when I say, hey, y'all want to go hiking again? It'd be like, let me think a minute. No.
Rude.
Hell no.
Not no good.
They're probably going to bark at y'all if they're
It's
not.
okay. That's okay. We barked back.
I was going to say, they didn't bark at me the whole trail.
I never know. The lady, I told her that, and they didn't say anything.
He didn't say you could pet his dog.
Hi.
Oh, got a bike coming. Cam, are you ready for this one?
Let me get out the way.
Uh-huh. Damn. They never let me have any fun.
What kind of bike was that, though?
One with two wheels.
What happened, Mom?
let it go, Dad. I didn't know they were doing that.
I was getting ready to cuss out a squirrel, but then I heard a laugh behind me, and that was a dead giveaway.
I was like,
I'm sorry that she's so mean. She just throws you. That's all right. I'll get her pound puppy one day.
how about that pound puppy? That's what I'm saying. Oh, what do you say? She said I'll get that pound puppy. You know you can get those pine cones and grow a tree.
I get those pine cones and throw at somebody too.
Yeah, you can do that too. I saw it happen. Although I thought it was falling from the sky. There you go.
Where? Look at all these weapons.
Oh, the pine cones.
Where's the bridge?
Lean back. Lean back.
Well, good thing it's not raining.
Yeah, wasn't me. Wasn't me. That was me.
I'll say that one didn't fall not too long ago.
Oh, that's a cute
You
picture.
tree hugger, you.
Yeah, it's going to take about 3 of me to touch my hands around the other side. I don't even know.
Yeah.
It might take all 3 of you to reach all the way around it.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Mama.
Yeah. Yeah, almost. That's how big that tree is. I guess that's a sign we're still on the red trail.
Pink one and a white one. One means cut and one means leave it alone. An extra tea.
Hey. There's a bench.
There's a bank. Oh, I don't know how you do that and not fall. Always have to.
I'm going to sit you back here because I'm going to say this part for y'all people. Okay.
Yeah, something tells me that we're on a different trail.
Who feels like they have too many clothes on now? Nobody?
What?
I said, who feels like they have too many clothes on now?
Well, we got to the end of the state park.
Okay, now I think we're having no, where did he go, George? Bear back here.
I ain't too sure, but I think we might have been on the long trail.
On the what, Joe?
The long trail.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, because the one we were going on was only supposed to be, what, a mile? A little over a mile?
2.6 miles there.
On the red trail?
Yep.
Well, so I feel like I've done walked further than that already.
Oh, that's how long it was today. You go right ahead. You and Spider Monkey go.
That was behind me.
I'm not guilty. Oh, we're far down.
Slow down.
Is that dogs?
Coyotes.
No, that was just your daughter.
Every day I'm hustling. Every I'm available. That's why I showed you the story about the people missing. Lost.
Only 2 of them came back.
But it wasn't the dumbasses. It was crooks. Maybe we can hot wire.
Hitchhike?
Oh, before we sit down.
Ooh, that's a long trail. like we might be on the B trail rather than the A. Not sure which one we're on. Around and around and around we go. How you doing? That looks like a shorter route.
Here's a big piece.
Oh, we're going to come back on that. Come back. I just play with it. Remember that red squiggly line? Yeah, we squiggled it more. What is that?
That's a big old root.
Yeah, these are the roof.
Root?
I told y'all it was going to be warm and sunny today.
You did.
Well, the good thing it ain't, because then it'd be hot. Oh, they just keep throwing shit at me. Oh, that's a hell of a place to put a bench. Oh, I see one on the other side.
Hell of a place to put a bench.
Oh, you mean you can drink and walk out here?
How y'all doing?
How are you?
I just taking a break.
Okay, sir.
You gonna walk the bridge?
Don't do it. Just don't
How's
do
it going
it.
to get over?
See if you're talented enough to stay on without falling off.
Oh, this is PG.
What I gotta do? Take a break all day long? We're walking here.
Oh. Okay. Get the bark off the butt.
I feel you.
That's the only reason this trail's so long, because you keep going this way and that way. And see that trail over there? Ah, never mind. That was too big of a rock. Be a pretty easy trail if it was mostly flat. But at least it ain't all up. You'll get to go down some. But then you gotta go back up. Yeah, we were just over there.
Should we eat some? No.
Yeah, you'll go down to the trail we've already been on and have to come around again.
Well, where is she? Where'd she go?
I'm cheating. Come on, you can do it. I know it's up there somewhere. My legs are starting to feel this shit now. Aha! Bigfoot throwing rocks at us.
Cute little girl. Look at you go.
And next thing you watch is going to say, we're taking tomorrow off, aren't we? Like I said, we should have walked that path with a lot closer.
Look, the truck's still there.
Yeah. I bet when we get back up there and come back around, it'll still be there.
If we go back down there, Dad.
I don't know. I still think we walked further than the 2 miles. There better be a bench up here top of this mountain.
You don't sit down long enough for it to be juicy.
Well, you know, you have the other kids complaining. There's got that seat.
There's a whole seat. Okay. What you got? I got some apple bugs.
Oh, we made it to the cabin.
There's a cabin. There's a whole cabin. She hit the floor. She stayed there. Did your knees just crack? I don't know how to ride. Why pretty good?
Acting like she was a good one today.
I'm just trying to focus so I will probably promise you. She's like, I'm sick of shit. Sick, sick, sick. I don't think so. I think it's really not. I got stick. I got rock. I hear a hot tub. Y'all hear it? It's a boom. I heard it getting on.
I think I can. I think I can.
She hit the floor. Yeah. Come on.
Damn, what time's the bus come through?
Special day? We missed it every trip.
Looks so inviting. Ah, my leg needs a break. Coming up the hill. Whoever the idiot was that put in these trails, they were not thinking of old people.
Who's old? How many is 6,546 steps?
Too many?
6,546.
Like 8,000 is 3 miles. I believe.
Oh, that's a lot more steps.
2,000.
This is the reason I sang this song right here.
Who? What was the reason? You had a reason? She's talking to herself.
It's the song, singers, the reason I sing.
Oh, hey. We finally made it to the split. Fire line authorized people only. No, can't go that way.
Can't go that way.
We're not enter. We're not going to enter that.
You don't want to go back down?
I think we gotta go straight.
Straight.
That looks like that's shorter. And we'll probably cross it right up here.
I would think so, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, we've been going back and forth, back and forth. I'm not sure which direction I'm going. There's a little bit more redder up here. Of course, this is not doing it justice too far away. Take a picture on your Giggle. Yay! I'm getting away from them. Yeah, pretty much. Fixing to circle right back around up there by that red tag on that tree. I hear a vehicle. Must be getting close to the city life again. The land of the living. Aha! Whew. Getting my workout today. And so are they.
Yes.
I'll invite them to come with me next time. They're probably going to tell me, hell no! He said, only if it's got a bar halfway.
That's right.
Give me a couple drinks, I'll be able to make it then. Oh, tell me we're back here at the beginning.
Is that what I said was going to happen?
Nope, that's B loop. That's not the one we want to take. That's the easy trail. It had to be back that way, because that's the easy loop. That says what, A loop?
A, B loop.
Let's venture
Up.
Well,
Back
some.
up, because we were going down the whole time.
It's got to go this way, because the easy loop's back towards the campground, because it's just a little inner loop around the campground, so it's got to be that way.
Remember how we walked up to the stone thing? I think that we really do come here, didn't we?
Yeah, because the blue loop is the long trail.
Yeah, because we were coming down for a while, and now we're going back up. Before we get a rope and pull.
Either that or push.
What was it about those people that got here to come have a position on this one? Okay. Yeah, we'll just do it.
How you doing? We're almost on level.
I feel like we're going in the right direction.
Well, the sun's coming back out. We must be.
Pretty solid hill from here.
Give me a big old handful.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Like that? Come on, come on. Come on, come at me. Gotta keep walking.
Christmas tree.
This looks familiar. Does it? No. Go with it. The sand feels more familiar. Yeah, it's a little softer.
I don't know. We might be going the wrong way because the footsteps are going the other direction.
Yeah, all the feet are going. Oh, we got a very kind of footprint in sand. But it's going to be weird.
I don't know. Maybe we need to go back and take that other trail.
No, it ain't. We're going to a dive bar, are we?
What are these? Palmetto? Is that what that is?
Are they going to answer you?
That's not. No, we're just a bush.
Where is it at? It's in her bush.
Oh, now you put out a big long bench.
Keep walking.
I want to go over there.
We gotta go up here. That's where the sign is. The board. Where we come in.
And that's the other direction for the blue trail. So if we took the blue trail, we would come right back out here. Yeah, if we had taken that one, they would come back out here, but that would have been another 3 miles.
Another day. I feel like we did all of the loops.
There's 13 miles of trail here.
What happens if you're stuck out here in the middle of the night and you can't find your way back?
You just go ahead and camp out.
Stay on the trail and then end up camp. Instead of moving over, you just wait. Don't you keep walking through it.
Well, we started on that side
Yeah, we started.
and come out on this side. So we survived.
We did.
Made the trip. Yeah. We went around the mountain. Alright. Well, that's another trail in. Gonna be a long video. Gonna be kind of comedy, I think. Anyways, we're back at the vehicle.